In a quiet forest where the sunlight filtered gently through tall trees, every animal believed they knew one another well, or at least they thought they did. At the heart of this forest lived a rabbit named Rowan. Rowan was fast. Rowan was confident. And Rowan believed speed meant superiority. He hopped through the forest every morning, greeting others with a smile that quietly said, "I'm better than you." The birds admired his energy, the squirrels envied his agility, and Rowan enjoyed every second of it. But there was one creature he never understood, a porcupine named Elio. Elio moved slowly. He spoke little. He spent most of his days near the edge of the forest, quietly collecting leaves and watching the sky. Rowan often laughed. "How can anyone live so slowly?" He mocked. "Life is a race and you're already losing." Elio never replied. He simply smiled and continued on his way. One afternoon, the forest gathered for the great clearing meeting, a time when animals shared ideas, stories, and warnings. Rowan arrived early, proud as ever. Elio arrived late, walking carefully. Rowan rolled his eyes. "Of course," he whispered. "He's slow even to speak." When it was Elio's turn, the clearing grew quiet. Elio spoke gently. "I've noticed the river is rising faster than before. The rains in the mountains are stronger. We should prepare higher paths, just in case." A few animals murmured. Rowan laughed loudly. "You worry too much," he said. "We've crossed that river 100 times. Fear makes you slow, Elio." The crowd nodded. Elio lowered his head. "Very well," he said quietly. Days passed. Then one night, the rain came. Thunder shook the forest. The river swelled beyond its banks. Paths disappeared. Animals panicked. Rowan tried to lead them across the usual crossing. But the water was too strong. The current pulled him under. Just as fear filled his chest, a firm grip stopped him. Elio, anchored by his strong stance and grounded weight, Elio held Rowan steady. "Move slowly," Elio said. "Speed won't save you now." Together they guided others to higher ground, using the paths Elio had quietly prepared. By morning, the storm passed. The forest was safe. Rowan sat silently, soaked in trembling. "I was wrong," he said. "I judged what I didn't understand." Elio smiled gently. "Speed is useful," he said, "but understanding saves lives." From that day on, Rowan never laughed at quiet voices again. And the forest learned a lesson deeper than words. Those who move slowly often see farther.